Welcome to the world of Advanced Warehouse Management, SAP EWM. We are about to embark on a journey into distribution equipment, a powerful feature to optimize the staging of goods to the production area. Let's unlock the full potential. The process starts with staging warehouse tasks created for raw material storage, which are picked in rack pick HU positions, as shown in the figure. The rack pick HU is then staged in the loading preparation station, the PRST storage type. In the PRLD storage type, the rack pick HU is loaded onto the tugger train, which physically transports the goods and drops the raw material components to the respective production supply areas in PS01 storage types. To control the process, we have different process-orientated storage control steps. Let's get into the details. In case there are manufacturing orders with different PSA requirements, you need to know that in Part A, there are two production material request (PMR) documents with manufacturing orders on the SAP EWM monitor. In the item section, we can see that each PMR has one component to be staged to PSA 7 and PSA 8. The components have the staging method maintained as single order staging. In Part B, you see the open staging warehouse task to pick from 0010 raw material storage via OB01 step. Now we will execute the picking using RF. We are using the SAP EWM RF emulator screens to pick the stock from 0010 storage type. In Figure 1, we create the destination rack pick HU, then use F4 next to navigate to the next screen. In Figure 2, we scan the source bin and the source HU and enter the quantity to be picked. The PSA field shows MF02-PSA7, which means we are picking from PSA 7. Select the position in the rack, pick HU, and enter. In Figure 3, similarly, pick for PSA 8. Now the PSA field is showing MF02-PSA 8. Select another position in the rack, pick HU, and enter. Navigate to the final screen where we scan the loading preparation station bin in PRST storage type to confirm the warehouse task. To load the pick HU onto the tugger train or distribution equipment, we are using the SAP EWM RF emulator screens. In sections A and B, you find the automatic warehouse task created to move the handling unit from PRST to PRLD. This means from the loading preparation station to the distribution equipment or tugger train with process step DDLD. In section C, you need to log into the RF emulator to complete the loading process. Navigate from the main screen using 04 outbound processes to 06 distribution equipment and to the 02 load by HU-manual position assignment. Scan the rack pick HU and enter. You will automatically get to the next screen. Scan the PRLD storage bin and select the position where you are loading the tugger train. After the loading finishes, select F1 End to complete the loading process. Now the unloading warehouse task is created to be processed in the final step. In Section A, auto unloading tasks are created with DDUL process step to drop the stock from the distribution equipment /tugger train into respective PSAs. In Section B, using Unload by HU RF transaction, the operator scans the HU from the distribution equipment system and guides the operator to drop the respective PSA bins indicating the position of the HUs in distribution equipment. The operator scans the PSA bins and the source HU to confirm the unloading tasks. In Section C, stocks are available in the PSA bin and all the warehouse tasks are confirmed. This completes the process and concludes our demonstration of how to benefit from SAP EWM distribution equipment to improve efficiency in the production staging process. Innovate your warehouse together with Western Acker.